Willie Gary seemed both angry and nervous when I interviewed him Friday afternoon on shocking allegations of sexual assault. Gary insists he's being set up and has launched his own criminal complaint against the couple he says wants nothing more than millions of his own hard-earned dollars. Just as he does in the courtroom, Willie Gary wanted to stand when I asked him to respond on camera to allegations of sexual assault. Allegations under investigation by a tight-lipped Stewart Police Department, brought by a 26-year-old married woman who says it happened in this Best Western hotel 3 weeks ago. The famed lawyer had his own argument.
I'm the target of a $20 million extortion charge by a group of people, and I'm sick of it. I'm tired of it. I've worked hard for what I have. I've tried to give rather than receive, and as we speak, the police department is investigating a $20 million extortion charge on this bogus claim.
Gary claims the woman and her husband have approached him several times in the past week, saying the assault allegations would go away if he paid $20 million. The victim's husband says he has no idea what Gary is talking about. Quote, "I've never heard of that. I have never asked him for a dime." The alleged victim's lawyer tells me forensic evidence will show the woman was raped and that DNA evidence collected at the hospital will match Gary's. But Gary says the sexual assault allegations are just part of the extortion attempt.
Because this is part of the scheme. It's a scheme. It's a plot. It's designed.
What does the investigation show of the rape kit at the hospital?
Zero.
A rags-to-riches lawyer who won fame battling corporate giants, Gary was visibly emotional as he contemplated his own possible courtroom drama ahead.
I am totally the victim of a $20 million extortion, and I will fight it to the bitter end.
Willie Gary agreed to go on camera with us Friday, but refused to answer any questions about whether he was actually in that Best Western hotel and if he had sex with the woman. Willie Gary turned 60 in July and has been married since college to his high school sweetheart, Gloria. We're told that the woman in this case, husband, was once one of Gary's employees. Terry Parker, WPBF News 25.